Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another first impressions try on of HUDA Beauty Sapphire Obsessions. If you're new to my channel, what I do on these is I try out as many shades as possible on my eyeballs, not so much for a tutorial, but to see how well the shadows do, and then I come back and tell you my thoughts. And this is the inside of the palette. I'm going to swatch those real quick and then we will get to reviewing. Alright, so those are the colors swatched. I think they're pretty. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. First I want to go in, I think I'm going to go in with this dark blue color right here into the crease. Okay, so I think I'm going to layer this blue on top of that just to give it a little more dimension. I think I am going to use dark blue on top of it, this sparkly one, to give it a little shimmer. Okay, shimmer is on. I think now I am going to go in with this turquoise color here and this color here in the bottom part. I don't know if that's a true turquoise. Anyways, that's what we're doing for the bottom lid. Okay, so now I think what I am going to do is I'm going to go back over that with the silver and then that one. Okay, I'm going to darken the crease a little bit because I feel like it's falling kind of flat. Now for the under eyes, I think what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do these three right here. I think we're going to go with this one, then this one, and then this one, under eyes. So eyeshadow is on. I think now I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. I've got two eyeliners here. I've got the Autonomy eyeliner that I'm going to use in the bottom lash line, and then Josephine, and I wore that off, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Is done. Now I'm going to go in with Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension. Okay, so now I'm going to use this other one. Who is this by? Anyways, I don't remember who it's by. I wore it off. Big Lash, I think that's what it says. Big Ego, that's what it is. But I'm going to just do the outer top part with this. See, it's fluffy. Okay, there is my finished eyeshadow look. Anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the palette here. So these two right here are actually more of a pressed glitter. I think this one is too. So I found that actually it's more the silver than any of them. So if you noticed while I was applying this, I actually used my finger because I found with like packed glitters like that, they usually apply better with my finger, not so much the brush. The shimmers, they were shimmery. They were more shimmery than the ones that I had in the Mauve palette, but I don't know if they were as shimmery as the ones that I had in the Amethyst palette. I do think that they were really pretty. Everything went on really well, blended really well. Other than just those couple things, I think this is a great palette. If you like this look or this palette, please leave your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.